Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if your keypad on your Genie Garage Door Opener stopped working all of a sudden, or you want to reprogram it, you ran out of batteries for a few days, it is not taking the pin which you had set up, we're going to fix all of those things in this video, and I'm going to show you how you can program the Genie keypad so that it works absolutely fine and your garage door can work with the pin which you have set. The first thing we need to do is we need to factory reset this one over here, the keypad on the outside of the garage. So press and hold program and up and down for 5 seconds. This light below the program button is going to go solid, then it will flash twice and then it will go out. Bam, there it is. So now this keypad has been reset and the default pin on this thing now is 357. Now we are inside our garage on the main unit. Herein you have this program set button, so we're going to press and hold this for a few seconds till this light lights up. So here it is, I'm pressing and holding the program set button and there it is. You see now it is flashing. This means it is in program mode. Next thing, go back to your keypad and we're going to press the default pin, which is 357, and press this 2 or 3 times, the up and down button, and then eventually, bam, here it is. You can see that the garage door is now closing. At this point your pin is set to 357. However, we are going to change that. So the next thing we need to do is we need to change our pin. So make sure that all the lights in the back are out. We're going to enter our pin, which is 357, press program, enter the new pin, and then press program one more time. For the purpose of this video, I'll use 1 2 3 4 as the pin, but again, never ever use this pin. Use something which you will remember and something which is unique to you. So 357 program, 1 2 3 4 program, and at this point the pin has been changed to 1 2 3 4. So let us give it a try. The back lights have gone out, 1 2 3 4, and bam, here it is. The garage door is now closing and you have successfully reset and changed the pin on your Genie Garage Door Opener.